air fried cheeseburger. I do have a grill, and I like making my cheeseburgers in my cast iron, but this one I'm gonna make in an air fryer. Got this beef patty at my local butcher shop, and it has cheese already in it. So I figured this would be a good beef patty to make in an air fryer. Because every time I try to put cheese on top, it just flies off in my air fryer. So since the cheese is already inside, blend it into the patty, I'm just gonna make it in an air fryer. See how it turns out. Alright guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. Piping hot out of the air fryer. So let's see what it tastes like. Hey everybody, here we go. This is cheeseburger, piping hot out of the air fryer. I got mayonnaise, pickles, and sliced tomato on it. It looks alright. We'll see if it's any good. Let's take a bite. It's not bad. This is what you do when you're lazy. You can set up an air fryer, go do something else, come back, pick it up, it's done. You don't have to keep an eye out on it, nothing. So if you gotta do two things at the same time, this could be the way to go. It's really hot out here. I'm gonna go finish this. This is, I'm gonna say it's 4 out of 5. It's not great, it's not the best. I still prefer it on the grill, but it's pretty good. So air fried cheeseburger, try it, test it out for yourself. Thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one.